Except YouTube, scary Sims, and more. Today we're going to be going through every kind of doorbell chime we have on the vivint. So here we go. We'll go through everyone. Take the holes. Ho ho ho. Jingle bells. It's Wonderland. Merry Christmas. Sorry, Plum Fairy. Sure. Yes. With the
Happy holidays.
deck the halls. This one, trail.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Here we go. Alright. I am done with the video right now. That wraps it up today. See you next video with other holiday chimes. I'll do this throughout the year with next holiday chimes. Bye.